Hey YouTube, my wife Jessica and I started the Read for Effect channel out of a passion for travel and life's experiences in general. Our channel is guided by the suggestions from you, our extended family of current or aspiring future empty nesters. If you find value in our content, we invite you to subscribe. It's free and will ensure you don't miss out. Let's roll. Several empty nester subscribers let us know they enjoyed our previous video about an abandoned Kansas town. You can click on that previous video right here. So to wrap up my solo empty nester week, I'm spending my day seeking out what I'm going to term as a mini abandoned site. You won't believe what I found. And if there's any abandoned spots that you know about, big or small, be sure and add those down in the comments below. We travel frequently through most states in the United States. We'd be happy to check them out if we can. One of our favorite things to do with this channel is input content that's suggested by subscribers. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video for some special bonus aerial footage. I was totally surprised and delighted by what I accidentally found. Believe me, you do not want to miss this video.